Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Turbotax Live but want to switch to the regular Turbotax service, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step guide to make the switch quickly and safely, so you can continue filing your taxes without any hassle. Stick around because by the end, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. First, open your browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website at turbotax.intuit.com. This is your central hub for managing all your TurboTax services and account settings. Make sure you're on the official site to keep your information secure. Next, locate the Sign In button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll land on your TurboTax homepage where you can review returns, check your refund status, and manage your service. Now, let's switch your service. Look for the Switch Products option. This is typically found under your account settings or in the main menu. Clicking this will open the product change interface. Here's an important step. In the Switch Products section, click Upgrade. Don't be confused by the term upgrade. TurboTax uses this option for any change in service level, including switching from TurboTax Live to the regular version. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to confirm the change. It's crucial to double-check that all your existing data and tax return information have transferred correctly. This ensures you can continue filing without losing any progress. And that's it. You've successfully switched from TurboTax Live to the regular TurboTax service. Now you can continue preparing your taxes just the way you want. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tax tips, and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.